Good morning. I hope that you are doing well this morning, enjoying your favorite cup of coffee, your favorite cup of tea, or depending on when you are watching this video, maybe you've transitioned over to water. Let's get into today's video topic, and it's all around easy. Easy. Business is easy when you use repeatable processes. Say that louder for the people in the back. I want to talk a little bit about why you should be using repeatable processes and really the core reason why. And that is because when you are juggling your business and when you are juggling your life, there are a lot of micro decisions that you are making for both every single day. And even the best laid plans for your business, you wake up, you're actually feeling good about things, and then life wrecks you. I have found when I have a steady foundation, i.e., repeatable processes that support me in my business, no matter what is happening in my life, I can accomplish this task. I don't have to decide which ones to do. I don't have to worry about starting from scratch. I don't think about how long it's going to take me. All of those things that are friction points in preventing you really from completing tasks. It is allowing me now to batch. Now, in the beginning, I'm not a huge proponent of batching. Sometimes I've gone into groups and I've batched 90 days worth of content. That makes my skin crawl and feels so overwhelming. But you know what it also does? It makes every single person inside of that community feel like they are behind. And it just continues to compound the overwhelm that they're not good enough, that they're not doing it fast enough, that they're not doing it right, and just hang it up. And that is a story that just goes on and on and on. It has taken me 40 forevers, and I do say 40 forevers, 40 forevers to, I think, get past the mindset of if I'm not working all the time, then I need to be serving my customer. But if I have systems that are supporting me, that allows me to continue to serve my customer almost at a higher level because now I'm able to really deep dive into things that I can continue to add that will enhance their experience. And then when I get those systems in place, that then allows me to batch. And batching does not take a long time. When I get into a flow, and I find I do really well in the mornings, I can do the weekly email video and I can do a podcast episode, one of each, one day a week for the number of days that I'm working. So that tells you how far in advance I'm actually able to record, schedule, serve. So now I'm not making all of these micro decisions to get that work done. It opens up capacity, whether I choose to do something else inside of my business or I choose to close my business. I think closing your business, i.e., closing the laptop, is just as important. It is just as important that I get punch needle time as it is that I am recording these video time with you. And why is that? It's because one really supports the other. I got to buy yarn. No, seriously. But that white space that I'm just relaxed, I'm happy, I'm creative. Then when I come back to my work with a repeatable process that I just plug myself into and go, I love it. Like nothing feels heavy. Nothing feels heavy. All right. So I want you to think about this topic this week and think, where can you just start with one? Just start with one. Don't compare. Just start with one task that you can document and create a repeatable process that will support you no matter what life throws at you. All right. If there's anything that we can do to help, let us know. Otherwise, take care. We'll talk soon.